Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to take you through how to create a report in Microsoft Excel. So here for example mine, I have it here with me. For example, this is my Excel sheet and these are the name of the students I have in my class. As you see, there are 18 the total number. Then I have subjects like English, Maths, SST and Science. So here we are going to find the total formula, total function, average in formula, average in function. Then we shall have the position and then the comments. So here, as I already showed you how to get the total in my previous video, you can go and check in case you are not around. So here you just come here on your formula bar. Remember, we are getting the total. So you highlight where you are going to get your total from. So as you all see that, as I already told you in my previous video, you begin with an equal sign. It will automatically even show up on the formula bar. So after placing an equal sign, and maybe this one is, maybe we are going to say E and maybe E2. So don't care about these ones. I'm the one who just formulated them to be the work, so that the work should look organized. So it is E2 in the horizontal, it is 2 on the horizontal, and then on the vertical it is E. So I'll just come here and maybe say E2 say E2, then shift, place an addition sign, E2 maybe plus F1, this is F, then 2, it is F2, maybe plus F2, and maybe place an addition sign, then plus maybe G2, this is G2, and maybe plus H2. So we are getting the total number. We are going to get the total number of the first student here. So who is a single triumph? He has a 90 in English, he has a 75 in math, he has a 80 in SST and a 82 in science. So after doing that, you press enter and the marks will automatically come. So what you do here, you will move the cursor downwards so as you all see, we already have the total marks of all the students if you add their total. So like now we are going to go on the total but functions. So here, as I already told you, we always begin with an equal sign, equals, then shall blend, press shift, open brackets, then we come here, remember function, so we want the sum, press OK. so it will automatically bring the what? The sum. So here you just come and say maybe we want to get the sum starting from here. English, then we shall highlight to science. Remember, we are getting them in function, so we press enter and it will automatically come, as you see, when you press enter. So it will just be the same as this one, the function to bring just the total as this one. So after there, you just roll down and the same answers will come, even like the total function. So now here we are going to go on the average formula. So here on the average formula, average, what is the definition of average? We are going to just get the total of all the subjects divided by the total number of subjects we have. The total number of subjects we have, there are 4, and maybe you add their total, which is 327. Maybe we are calculating the one for a cinema triumph. You will all see his total is 327. So when you come on the average, you just come and say, what is the average? It is I2. So we begin with the equal signs. Say, put maybe brackets. You say maybe I2, say slash, say maybe divide by 4. You press enter. When you press enter, it will automatically come. So you scroll down and I think you'll see all the average. Just bring it automatically, no need of going back to get their total. So we shall now come on the average function. So as already I told you, average function, so we shall just come here and come on function. So this time we are not looking for the sum, we want the average function. Then it will automatically come. Then so here we are going to maybe we want from here, from E So in a simple way, sorry I'd made a mistake, but you come here and maybe you go here on fx where I've put a bracket, maybe you tap on average, you press OK. Then remember it's already there showing, then you press OK and the answer will automatically come. So as our average. So shall have to do that and finally it will come. So the next thing is the position. Now remember we have to get the grades. So to get the grades, we shall get the grades of each and every subject. Now for me here, I'll come and say maybe you want to create another column, you go, maybe you want to create for English, you go on math here and you right click, then it will bring the column is there now. you press insert. So it will create my new column here where I'll put my grade. So I'll go on getting each and every subject a column for grading. As you know, you right click, then you insert. So this one will also be a grade for mathematics. Then I'll come here on science. I want to get the one for SST. Right click, you insert. So this one will be the grade for SST. Then we shall have the one for science. We shall come here on total, maybe we also insert, shall also get the grade. So that's how we grade. So if you want to grade, like maybe you can come here on the formula bar, and maybe here you write your grades each and every student. It will show you the grades of the students, and then you can come here and comment anything about the students' work. So that's the information I tried to get on how to create a report in Microsoft Excel. God bless you all. Please subscribe, like, and follow.